Your first push-up in this 28-day challenge decides everything. Do it wrong, and you build pain. Do it right, and you build power. Think squats are just bending your knees. Most people crush their joints without even knowing it. Today, we fix that. Start day 1 with perfect push-ups, 10 controlled reps, feeling every muscle from chest to core engage. Day 2 starts now. 10 perfect squats to fire your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core the right way. Day 3 begins. 10 perfect pull-ups to fire your lats, biceps, and core the right way. Day 4 starts now. Hold a perfect plank to engage your core, glutes, and shoulders the right way. Day 5 begins now. Perform lunges perfectly to strengthen your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and stabilize your core. Day 6 begins now. Perform dips correctly to strengthen your triceps, shoulders, and chest. Day 7 starts now. Perform burpees perfectly to work your full body and boost your strength and endurance. Day 8 begins now. Perform mountain climbers correctly to fire your core, shoulders, and legs while boosting endurance. Day 9 starts now. Hold a perfect side plank to strengthen your obliques, shoulders, and core stability. Day 10 starts now. Perform glute bridges perfectly to activate your glutes, hamstrings, and core. Day 11 starts now. Perform bicycle crunches perfectly to target your abs and obliques. Day 12 starts now. Perform the Superman exercise perfectly to strengthen your lower back, glutes, and shoulders. Do 10 perfect Superman reps now. Feel your back, glutes, and shoulders engage fully. This is day 12. Day 13 starts now. Perform Russian twists perfectly to target your obliques and strengthen your core. Perform 20 perfect Russian twists now. Feel your obliques and core engage fully. This is day 13. Day 14 starts now. Hold a perfect wall sit to build endurance in your quads, glutes, and core. Hold this wall sit now. Feel your quads, glutes, and core engage fully. This is day 14. Day 15 starts now. Perform side lunges perfectly to target your inner and outer thighs, glutes, and core. Day 16 starts now. Perform high knees perfectly to fire your quads, hip flexors, and boost your cardiovascular endurance. Perform 30 seconds of perfect high knees now. Feel your legs, hips, and core fire fully. This is day 16. Day 17 starts now. Perform plank shoulder taps correctly to stabilize your core, shoulders, and arms. Day 18 starts now. Perform jump squats perfectly to build explosive strength in your legs, glutes, and core. Day 19 starts now. Perform reverse lunges perfectly to strengthen your quads, glutes, and hamstrings while improving balance. Day 20 starts now. Perform plank to push up correctly to strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Even if you've completed just 20 days, not all 28, your dedication has already transformed your strength, endurance, and confidence. Keep going, and your body will only get stronger.